Okay, had a game yesterday and one of my MP9s was playing up a little bit, and here's the culprit. Magazines. So, as you can see, they do misfeed from time to time. So what I found is you get a build up of grit, and once I start cleaning it, you'll also see it's kind of like metallic substance in there as well. So this one isn't too bad. I've done a couple others earlier and there was all the sand in them. So yeah, we'll get this one clean. Alrighty. Pretty easy. Just give it a spray out with the old silicone. Get the cotton wool earbud in there. And just try and pick up all this crap. As you can see, there's that kind of metallic dirt. Generally have to do this once every 6 weeks, depending on the fields you play as well. You play on one field that's very sandy, so you pretty much have to do it as soon as the game's finished. Alright, try and take a good look in there. Make sure there's no little bits of grit. So, the final stage to this is load it up and then see if you can empty it with your thumb. And if it empties quite efficiently, then you've done your job and you can get on with the next mag. Bit of work, but when the gun runs, it's a beauty. Okay, magazine's loaded. You'll notice that there's no gaps at all. This can often contribute to misfeeds if they're not very well aligned. Release, and the moment of truth. Beautiful. Okay, no jams, one mag ready to go. Hope you found this useful.